Alright, I just want to make a quick video about installing a sprint booster, which I put this right here. There is a channel underneath here that I ran the wire. This literally took me about 3 minutes to put in, so if you guys are worried about putting it in, it's not a big deal. The wire runs behind all the way along this, which I just pushed up in there with my finger. And then this here is not attached at the top, but it is bolted underneath the carpet. But your carpet here flips back, it's not attached to anything, and that's where it plugs in right there. So you literally just unplug your factory one, plug this in. It's like the shape of a D, so you can't really mess it up. It only goes in one way. You plug the other end into the other half of this, and then that's it. Then you have your controller, which is optional, but I hooked it up. Your controller runs along here, and then I have it here just so I can easily access it. But you could put it wherever you want to. There's actually a lot of extra wire that I have tucked up in there. That's it.